YouTubers, welcome back to 26 Acres Outdoors. And today we are going to be cleaning up our crabs, as we call it last night, spotlighting.
Make sure you go check out that video.
Yeah, check that video out, spotlighting crabs in Connecticut in the Thames River in Quaker Hill. So that was where we got all these bad boys. And now we're going to do a different way to clean them. They've been in the refrigerator out back in the shop in a bucket. And since last night, and you can see they're a little slow. And now they're sitting on ice. They look dead. Trust me, they're not dead. And I'm going to prove it to you. You'll be like, oh, Joe, you can't eat those. Those are dead. Look, they ain't even moving. All they need is to be hit with some water in the sink. Perk right back up. But this is going to be a different way to clean them. It's going to give you a nice presentation if you're making a fancy meal or something like that. And then you don't have to deal with a lot of the shell and all the guts and whatnot if you boil them or steam them whole. So stay tuned. We're going to get going on this. Show you what. You're ready. All right, here's what we got going on. So we got a couple totes. These are actually just old trays from an old refrigerator. They kind of work good for toting this stuff around. So as we know, they're kind of dormant. Oh, he's kind of waking up. Yeah. So that's what the ice is better. So they're kind of sluggish. And what we're going to do is flip him on his back. Basically, like when you would be cleaning them. Oh, they're a little more frisky than. Hold on, they need to be iced. I take that back. Take two. Take two.
Take two.
All right. So we got our little crab daddies. They were waking up because they were out of the refrigerator for a little bit too long. He's got a hole in his head. So they're on ice now. They're cooling down. And then basically what you're going to do is take them. Take your knife. It's like cleaning them after you cooked them. But we're doing it before we cooked them. You're just going to pop them open. Oop. Have your bucket. Take his veins out. Snap his little jaw off. And then take your hose. You can do it in your yard if you want every raccoon in town here, but we're just going to do it in this garbage can, transfer it into the dumpster. And you can pretty much just blow everything out. And then now, let's pick up a few little of his lungs there. Now you got a nice, clean body. This one's just missing some stuff. Put him in there. Boom. What you think of that? But they're just getting kind of lively in here. We're going to do another one. And we're just going to pop them open. Stick your knife down the back. Just kind of pry them. He doesn't want to cooperate. That's it. Just basically like, look at that. Take the hose that I dropped. Spray them out. The colder they are, the sluggier, the slower they'll get. Just break his thing off. Pull his fins out. This is great to do if you're like on a boat and you have it docked. Pull up to the dock, you can throw all in the water. Feed all the fish. Maybe we'll get one that has two claws on them. And just spray them out. Boom, another one done. Look at that. And there you go. We're just going to keep on doing that. Fill up our bucket. And they are just waking up way too fast. And that's that. We're going to keep on going. All right, and it's starting to rain too.
He's got nice claws.
Yeah. Nice.
Absolutely.
Fired up. Ah. All right, well, they're all done up. I mean, you ask me, that's pretty cool. Nope, I missed some, but you know, they're all done up. I still miss some, but I don't know. I think that's a pretty cool way. I've seen other people do it as of recently and never tried it, so we're gonna give it a whirl. Now we're gonna go back in the house, boil these bad girls up, and get to some eating. Nice and finished. I think that's kind of a neat look. Easy access, so you don't have to worry about cleaning all that guts out and stuff like you normally did if you cooked it with the shell. So we're trying something new. We're going to pick these out, and I'm saving the claws, freezing those, vacuum sealing them for football. And we're going to make something different next time. Izzy missed out on the blue shell crab mac and cheese, so her and I are going to make that again. If you are interested in that, check out that video that I made maybe a month ago. So we're gonna make that this time around, and next time I'll make something else. All right, so thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this, learned something new like I did. I learned this a little while ago, and I figured I want to share it with you guys. So
make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and comment down below.
Catch you next time.